Okay, I'm trying out my new GoPro today, so I don't know how this is gonna work out. I'm gonna get both. I'm gonna get a take with my phone and my GoPro for this one. I'm just gonna try it a few elevators. And we are at, it's an office building. I have no idea which one though. I have to do this though. Or whatever. Alright. I have 4 hours of space. Someone just took it up, so it's taking a while. There we go. Let's see what we have here. Looks like... What's the address? Did he catch the address? I did not.
What the flip is that?
I have no... Oh, wait, no, it's Bloom.
Oh, it's Bloom, yeah.
Big drop.
I couldn't tell if it was Bloom or not.
Never seen it.
Because of the look.
My SD card's really good. That's cool. Interesting buttons. $230 South Boulevard, Red Rock City. I mean, 240, excuse me, not 230. My camera just went into sleep mode. Well, anyway, there it goes, and that's it.